Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then choose alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on, and tap on add alarm at the bottom left corner over here. Now step an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then manage vibrations by clicking on this switcher over here and click on snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and save your changes by choosing OK. Then select label and label your alarm however you want to. Then click on OK and tap on alarm sounds. Over here you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one and choosing OK. But you can also choose alarm sound, click on add alarm over here, and then pick one of your sources. I will go with downloads. Select music that you wish to set up and click on OK over here. To save your alarm, select confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it and click on this little icon next to it. Then select confirm at the top right corner. If you wish to adjust all of your alarm settings, you can do that by choosing settings at the bottom right corner and customizing all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!